Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me quickly teach you the way that you fix the WhatsApp audio message problem. Whether you're trying to send or receive audio messages inside of WhatsApp and you're having issues, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that the microphone on the WhatsApp is loud. So to check that, you can just tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to this eye icon. From the settings page, head over to permissions. Make sure that the microphone option is set to allow. If this is not set to allow, you won't be able to record, or WhatsApp won't be able to use the microphone that is available on your phone. Also, if this is not the issue with you, what you can also try out is within the setting is tap on the storage option and then tap on the clear cache option. Now by doing these two steps, try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of WhatsApp from your device and then again re-download it. What this ensures is that you have the latest version and any sort of glitches or bugs which might be causing the issue will be now fixed. By following these few simple steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp audio message problem. If this guide video did help you out, do let us know. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.